car situation, all bad, all right? I'm gonna give y'all a couple reasons why, and then I'm gonna show you that way you have a better understanding of what the fuck I'm talking about. All right, number one, key. Where is it? Huh? Yeah, it's fucked up. If you come over here, I'm gonna show you how I start this motherfucker. All that's broken in here, take the knife, make sure, you know, boom, boom, turn it to the on position. There you go. Close the knife. Now I gotta give y'all the rest of the method, alright? Whoa. Whoa, it's a hot boy. Hot boy, hot boy. Then what I want to do is I'm gonna open up this hood now that the car's in the on position. And look at this mess right here I got here, alright? Come on, let me just show you. So now I want to open up my fuse box and see this little fuse right here? Whoa, a little weight on there. See a little fuse right there? Yeah, we're gonna push that in. We're gonna start the car. Yeah, there you go. There's right. Don't ask what all this stuff is. I mean, I really couldn't tell you. I'm gonna close it up. And I'll never close it all the way. I just make sure it's latched. That way, you know, I got good, you know. Whoa, easier for me to just up whenever the fuck I need to. And yeah, that's pretty much the method, man. Whoa. Now, whoop-de-whoop. Today. Now I'm gonna get in my car. Now, don't judge me. There's a lot of things I can't do with this car. Can't lock the doors because, you know, everything's broke. I don't have any windshield wipers, so if it starts raining, I'm figgity fucked. Turn this light off here. Whoa, today. Unplug that. All right, now, if I, whoa. Ready to connect. Connect what? My fucking gimbal's fucking a tweaker. But if you look at here, the keys actually broke off. The girl I was with decided she was gonna fucking break my shit. So, on top of this profuse sweating, hot as freeze, right? And this is my fan. Check me out now. This is my air seat conditioner. That's how I get my hair. Put it on my lap, face towards me. If I slow down the car, it'll turn off. If the car stops, it'll go in and out. I don't know why. You hear that? You hear that bundle of joy going off? Yeah, it's just my situation. You know, if you see there goes the green light.